misuse of chemicals, all big problems that are completely out of control. Kind of like this version. Okay, Pogo, Pogo, look. Look, look. Will you listen to me? It's very serious, it's very serious. Pogo, people are realizing it, and some people even doing something about it. So Pogo, why don't you tell everybody else what you think about that? That's good news. That's good news right there. Pretty cute, huh? Now, you probably figured out Pogo's not actually listening to me. He's listening and watching for a variety of different cues. If I want him to, well, that's fun. If I want him to nod his head yes across my arms, good one, right? If I want him to look me in the eye, just shift my weight to the back of the purse like that. This is good. That's good. No, point my direction. Yeah, just like that. And if I toss my right arm out to the side, we get this.
What is that?
No idea. No idea what it is. He really likes doing it, though. Which is good. Alright, very good, Pogo, very good. We're going to finish with some verbal cues. Those are fun. Those are some of my favorites. Let's see if we throw it out to everybody. Look. 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 Listen. Say goodbye. That was Pogo. Good job, he's amazing. Right? Everybody has run a bird like that. Well, and I can see why you'd say that. Parrots like Pogo are fun up on stage, but you know what, Joe? They can make very, very challenging pets to home. Why? Why? Go for a lot of reasons. Okay, parrots can scream very loudly.
Oh,
I showed you that, right? I mean, they can scream really, really loudly. They can bite hard. They can live a long time. Pogo, 43 years old.
Wow, he's older than me.
Not older than Dad, though.
I had no idea birds could be so smart.
Well, yeah, there's a lot of smart birds out there. How about we need a smart crow next?
A crow?
A crow.
Out here?
Yeah.
I'll be by the tree.
I'm going to introduce the rest of you to Harley. Now, Harley is called a pied crow, joining us from right over here. Now, in order to demonstrate just how smart he is, we're going to need the help of an adult volunteer. An adult with a dollar bill. A lot of hands that went down there was. How about this in the blue, with the blue wristband? Yeah, you look excited to help us out. You want to stand up right where you're at? You got that dollar bill? By your dollar bill, I mean her dollar bill. That's good, that's good. Now stay right there, stay right there. Yeah, all we need is money. You'll see where we're going with this. You don't have to hold it or anything. All you have to do is hold your arm straight out to the side. Just like that. Arm parallel to the ground. What did he do to you? No, keep that arm up, just like that. Okay, now Harley the Crow is going to show everybody what we do when we find all the money out there. Harley, do you see our volunteer? He says, yes, but I see treats on the ground. You see this, Joe? Crows and ravens are scavengers. They're foragers. They will find food almost anywhere. This bird's very smart, so he's going to check every little spot he's ever found food before. There's some food, but he sees a dollar bill. He sees it. He flies out. He grabs it. He brings it to me. Where's that go? Right in that pocket's where it goes. Oh, you're so good, Harley. Thank you. And thank you. You enjoy your day. Okay. Who wants to see what he does for a plane? Come on, we're going to give you your money back. Stand up again, arm out, palm to the sky. He's going to bring it back to you. You got to wrap your fingers around it. Take that dollar bill. All right, Harley, I give you this. You're going to give it back to the nice lady. She's right there. All you got to do is grab it. Great job. Thank you, Harley.
Well, that is something you don't see every day.
That's true.
Yeah, money bag and a theme park. That only proves how you're smart.
Not all birds are that smart.
They're
They're not all that smart. But the next bird has a great demonstration of that. And I need volunteers. You want to pick them out?
Well, what do you need?
Okay, here's what we need. 2 people this time. Okay, with cameras or video cameras? You want to come up on stage. Now, you got to hold your cameras up so Joe can see you. If he picks you, you're going to make your way all the way down to the end of the stage.
Hold your camera up high and you're going to come all the way over here to the far side of the stage. You sit right there in the green shirt. In the green shirt, all the way over here. You sit in the striped shirt, right over here.
All right, our volunteers are going to make their way all the way down to the end. Now, this misconception is one I know you guys have heard. Help me out if you have. It's the one about the wise old, what?
Owl.
Owl, that's right. But see, it turns out owls are not nearly as smart as we've been led to believe, but that's okay. They have adaptations that more than make up for that. We're going to talk about that after we meet our volunteers. Joe, who do we have?
We got Colburn and Frank. Give them a big round of applause.
Nice. Colburn and Frank, gentlemen, we've been keeping this cool for you. Come sit on this box. facing the audience. Get your cameras turned on and ready to go. Here's what's going to happen, fellas. In just a second, we're going to meet an owl, okay? Now, she's going to come out of this window right over here to our left. After she's in that window, she's going to make her way out to the back where Amy is waving, which is where your cameras are going to come into play. Now, that bird's going to turn around and make her way back to us. You're going to try to get that shot in her flight path, okay? So you want to focus your cameras right about where my hand is, where she's going to be. Yeah, when she's on her way back. So, when she's right around there, that's when you're going to snap the shutters, okay? Then both of you get the cameras out of the way, right before the impact.
They're still there.
They're laughing too, that's good.
They're still there.
That's cute. No, come on, no impact, guys. At the last second, the bird's going to swoop up over your cameras and land on the tree that's behind you, okay? Very close. She almost never misses. She never misses. Let's meet this bird. Her name is Esme. Esme is a very special owl. She's what you call a Eurasian eagle owl. Largest species of owl in the entire world. These guys are unbelievable, Joe.
That's huge.
It is very, very big. These guys are found, as their name suggests, in Europe and Asia, and they will have great adaptations to help them to survive. Now, we were just talking about the adaptations, very important. One of the ones you guys can see is eyesight, big orange eyes. These guys have unbelievable vision, at least 2 or 3 times more acute than our own. Unbelievable. They've got great hearing, too. Maybe some of the best hearing of any animal in the world. Wow! And she's also got silent flight. Now, as she makes her way back to stage, you guys are going to listen up. Chances are, here she comes. Wow! They did it! Wow! She spent no time up there. That's right. Guys, come over here with me. You don't want to sit under that end of the bird. Yeah. Right over here. You're going to turn around and get another shot of this gorgeous girl. Eurasian eagle owl. Fantastic birds. The eagle owls, as a group, are the largest owls in the whole world. That was about 5 or 6 foot wingspan that just went right over their heads. She is just unbelievable. Way bigger than any of those North American species. Yes, you are, girl. There she goes. And how about our volunteers?
They were so brave.
So brave, right?
Yeah.
And you could be just as brave, Joe. No. You can do it for what we have next. It's something very special. We're going to bring out a baby bird. The baby bird.
You got a baby bird?
Absolutely.
Okay, I can be praised for that.
Yes.
A little baby bird.
Be good.
Hey, wait.
Yeah.
I have a great idea.
What?
Can the baby bird fly?
Oh, yeah, she can fly.
Well, then let's do this. Let's have the baby bird fly out here and land right here on my finger. How about that?
No. You've never seen this bird before, and it's not exactly
No. You have the bird fly out to the young lady and take my finger.
That was a crow. This is totally different.
This is the baby bird, is it?
Yes, baby.
You want to see a baby bird land on my finger? I know.
I can see this
I
in the
just
back.
met you. This is crazy.
No.
But here's my finger. So let's bring out the baby. Y'all want to see it, right?
You're nuts. You really, okay, fine. If you guys want to see this? All right, ready to go. You're going to have to call the bird so she knows to go to you. Okay? Her name is Baby Audrey.
Baby Audrey.
Baby Audrey, and she comes from the roof.
All the way up there?
Right up there.
I just call her out, she lands on my hand.
Oh, yeah.
People, get out your cameras.
I got it.
This is her dreams come true. This baby Audrey. Everybody, call her out.
Baby Audrey.
Come on. It's a baby condor.
That's a baby.
A condor.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't tell me it was going to be a condor.
There she is. Yes, everybody, I want to introduce you to Audrey. Audrey is a baby Andean condor. Wow. That's a typical wingspan that just went over their heads, Joe. Smack you in the face. That was pretty good. Yeah.
There.
These guys are unbelievable South American species of bird and very important. So, condors are the largest of all the vulture species.
They're vultures?
And you know what vultures eat, right?
Yeah, they eat poor guys.
They don't eat tourists. Joe, vultures eat carrion. You know what that is?
That's luggage you bring on an airplane. Why would a bird eat that?
Don't eat carrion luggage. No, luggage. Rotting carcasses of animals that die out in the wild.
Well, that's gross.
Well, it's gross when see an animal dies and she'll eat it up. She's like nature's recycle.
I recycle.
You recycle
Ah,
garbage.
burgers do.
So, if everybody recycled like Juan Ojo and this baby condor, this earth would be a much cleaner place. Audrey, you're fantastic. So big, so fast. so cute. All right, go. Out your wings. Whoa, Audrey, the baby.
That was awesome. Okay, how many people thought that was somebody hang gliding? That was huge.
That was me.
It was going to be a baby.
Yeah, she's a big baby.
Yeah, well, so am I.
You're doing great. How about we bring out something way smaller?
Smaller?
Way smaller.
Okay.
All right, we have a hawk. He's going to fly all over the place.
Not better.
Why?
It's a hawk. It's a bird of prey.
Oh.
It just had the contour.
Yeah.
These people don't want to see a hawk.
Who wants to see a hawk fly? All right, let's meet this bird. His name is Orion. Orion is a Harris hawk. He comes from that window. He flies all the way out to Amy in the back. Pretty neat, huh? Harris hawks, they're found in the desert southwest of the U.S. So that's Texas, Arizona, New Mexico. Here he comes. Very unique, too, because they live and hunt in family groups. Unusual for birds of prey. See, 2 or more of these guys will team up together and take down much larger prey than one ever could on their own. Things up to the size of a jackrabbit. It is crazy. Yes, it is. Here he comes. Now, they need that extra edge for survival because 75% of all bird of prey hatched out there, 75% don't make it past their first year of life. Why? Why is a good question. It's mainly due to natural causes. Here it comes. Disease, starvation, things like that. Some people shoot these birds, so Joe.
I thought it was illegal to shoot a bird of prey.
Right, it is. It's illegal. It's unfortunate too. All birds of prey have important jobs to do. Stuff like controlling rodent populations. I love having these guys around. All right, we're going to do one more flight, so everybody needs to stay seated. You'll see why. He gets quite close when he makes his way out to Amy. Oh, there he goes. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, he's going to do one more flight right down the middle. Let's see how close we can get to the family in the front row. What? Yeah, these guys. Here he comes.
Oh, that was close.
It was. I should have mentioned if you duck, he flies lower. That's not that works. You were great, buddy. That was Orion, our Harris.
Wow. Well, so hawks are good hunters then.
Hawks are great hunters. Oh, absolutely. I mean, a bird like that out in the wild, you eat like 1,000 mice in 1 year.
Oh, well, that explains why we haven't had a mouse or a rat here in the world. Since that bad infestation.
Mouses on the roof.
Yeah, they knew about it. Oh, I know.
If you didn't know, guys, Guano Joe's right. We used to have rodents everywhere.
Oh, I know. It's really bad, too, wasn't it?
It was. Yeah. But see, what happened is when bird of prey move in, rats and mice, they just move out.
There's a mouse on the
We
roof.
do all the time.
Yeah.
Be glad you're here now. The rat problem's behind us.
Definitely!
I had no idea birds could be beneficial.
And beautiful.
Really?
Like our next bird. You're going to like this one, Joe. This next bird is one of the most beautiful birds in all of Africa. He's called a crown crane, and he's joining us right over there. Whoa, Eric. Perfect timing. Look at that. The crown crane is going to show off his 6-foot wingspan as he makes his way to stage. Watch out for the landing gear if you're in the flight path. Here it comes. Coming in fast. Everybody, this is Frazier. Frazier Crane. You know, Joe, I've got a lot of his feet. I think you should feed him.
No, I think I should watch you feed him. He's big.
Who thinks Joe should feed the crane?
All right, I'll try. What do I do?
Like it. Why don't you make a bowl with both hands?
Like this?
Yeah, like that. That's what. So here's what we're gonna do. Here, Frazier, you're gonna come eat these, right? Here, and then he's gonna eat out your palms.
What?
Really? Yeah, I'll be right here with you.
Okay.
It's okay. So okay. Finish it. All by yourself.
Well, Chris, I would love to see this guy out in the wilds of Africa, running around with his buddies. That would be something.
That would be a beautiful sight, Joe. Kind of a hard sight to find, though.
Why?
Yeah, well, the crown crane, they struggle with a lot in Africa. No, it's true. Birds like Frazier, they have to deal with all kinds of different things. Habitat loss, pollution, poaching, and
Oh, I can't imagine a world without beautiful creatures like this in it.
neither can I. I mean, that's why it's up to all of us to help protect them.
And protect them we will. Right, folks? I had no idea it was so tough on birds out there.
Yeah, it can be rough on a lot of things. You know, it's not all bad news. It is not. There are bright spots on that conservation horizon as well.
Well, tell us the next one.
Well, how about the story of the national symbol of the United States of America?
Bald eagle!
Here you go, the bald eagle. Ladies and gentlemen, this is hope. Now, hope is a living symbol of one of the greatest conservation success stories of our time. It wasn't that long ago when their numbers had dropped so low, so quickly that a lot of people thought future